GLP-1 injections, a popular treatment for type 2 diabetes and obesity, have been hailed for their ability to promote weight loss and improve insulin sensitivity. However, like any powerful medical intervention, they must be used with caution and under strict medical supervision. One of the lesser-known risks associated with GLP-1 injections is the potential for increased muscle loss, or sarcopenia, if not monitored properly. Sarcopenia, the loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength, can significantly impact one's health, leading to physical disability, poor quality of life, and increased mortality. The mechanism behind GLP-1 injections potentially contributing to muscle loss is not entirely clear, but it is thought that rapid weight loss, often a result of these injections, can lead to a decrease in muscle mass alongside fat loss. This is particularly concerning because muscle plays a crucial role in metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and overall physical strength and functionality. To mitigate the risk of sarcopenia while using GLP-1 injections, it's essential to monitor body composition closely, rather than focusing solely on weight loss. This is where technology like the Styku 3D body scanner comes into play. The Styku 3D body scanner is a cutting-edge tool that provides accurate and detailed information about one's body composition, including fat percentage, muscle mass, and bone density. By using this technology, individuals and their healthcare providers can get a comprehensive view of how their bodies are responding to GLP-1 injections beyond just the number on the scale. Regular scans can help ensure that weight loss is primarily from fat, not muscle, and allow for adjustments in diet, exercise, and medication dosages to promote a healthier body composition. This proactive approach can help prevent sarcopenia and its associated health risks, ensuring that the journey towards better health does not inadvertently compromise one's physical strength and vitality. In conclusion, while GLP-1 injections offer significant benefits for weight loss and diabetes management, it's crucial to monitor their effects on muscle mass to avoid the negative consequences of sarcopenia. Utilizing advanced tools like the Styku 3D body scanner can provide valuable insights into body composition, enabling individuals to maintain a healthy balance of fat loss and muscle preservation. To learn more about how you can benefit from using the Styku 3D body scanner, please contact our office and run by and get your scan done today.